Alright, good morning. I'm in a curtain. It is the second day in Austria. It's raining, as you can see. Plan is, get some breakfast, and then we're going to go to the mountains. But first I have to pick up some supplies. We're in the supermarket, and there isn't a bare shelf to be seen. Brexit, anyone? This is Sainsbury's, there'll be nothing here. There's like one apple. We're on the road. Aladdin's Cave of Groceries.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go this one. Alright, so we're going to see 007 installation. Ding 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 ding.
They kind of look like tracks on top of that.
What is it? Is that a transfer. Experience. Okay, it's an unknown summit. We have taken a cable car, but would be remiss to not go all the way up here. come out of the 007 experience. Would recommend. It's good fun. Well done, Sölden. So yeah, just gonna head down and check out the little Jeep thing they've got going on. Sölden, an unexpected gem. So off on a bit of an adventure to head down here, see if I can get some nice photos. It's super cool up there, very fun. On the road to Kühtai. Accommodation for the next 4 days or 3 days ish. It's actually quite cool. Nice little kitchen set up. Got the lounge area, snacks and drinks, airy bedroom with quite the view. And that's the goal up here. Finally in Kühtai, we've unpacked, got all the food ready and situated, and yeah, so I'd come out while it's still a bit sunny and do a bit of drone flying to get some nice views and also recce the route to see where I'm going to head potentially tomorrow or Tuesday, depending on what day is better weather. So we're staying in Kühtai apartments, awesome view, nice balcony, lovely jubbly. Right, let's cut to the drone footage. Sölden, 4.5 hours.